Most companies calling themselves AI-powered have done one thing: bolted a chatbot onto their website and called it a strategy. A chatbot answers questions. That's it. It doesn't reduce your headcount, cut your cycle times, or surface the problems in your pipeline before they become expensive. It just sits there, waiting to be asked something. That's not a strategy. That's a FAQ page that talks back. McKinsey tracked AI adoption across more than 1,800 companies in 2023. Only 11% said their AI initiatives had delivered measurable impact at scale. The other 89% had activity, pilots, tools, proof of concepts, but not results. Activity is not a strategy. Here's where the money actually goes wrong. A founder hears AI and goes looking for a tool. They find one, they buy it, and they point it at the closest visible problem, usually customer support, because that's where the complaints are loudest. 3 months later, response times are a little faster. The underlying chaos is exactly where they left it. The problem isn't the tool, it's that nobody stopped to ask what the tool was supposed to change. Specifically, measurably, by when. A real AI strategy starts with 3 questions most teams skip entirely. First, what decision or process is slow or broken, and what does fixing it actually cost right now? Second, what would have to be true for automation to handle it without a human in the loop? Third, how will we know in 90 days if this worked? If you can't answer all 3 before you buy anything, you're not building a strategy, you're building a demo. The companies getting real results aren't chasing tools, they're mapping their operations first. They find the exact points where time gets lost, decisions stall, or errors compound. Then they ask whether a system can handle that step better than a person. Usually the answer is yes, but only for one specific, boring, repeatable task at a time. Not everything. One thing, then the next one. Zapier published data showing that companies using workflow automation for internal operations, not customer-facing chatbots, saved an average of 11 hours per employee per week. Across a 10-person team, that's 100 hours a week. You don't get that from a chatbot on your homepage. You get it from automating the work nobody sees. The chatbot trap is easy to fall into because it feels like progress. You launch something. Customers interact with it, you can screenshot it. But if your team is still manually processing orders, chasing down approvals by Slack, or copying data between systems, the chatbot is wallpaper. It covers the problem without touching it. The question worth asking this week isn't what AI tools should we try. It's what is the single most expensive, most repetitive task in our operation right now. Start there. Build something that eliminates it. Measure it. Then move to the next one. That's the whole strategy. If you want more of this, real breakdowns, no fluff, subscribe. There's a new one every week.